If you are looking for a place to buy composting worms, here's another website to check out. So enjoy the video! Well, hello. Here's a friend of mine. Her YouTube channel is The Garden Worm Lady. Her name's V. She has 875 subscribers as of today. She does a lot of videos on worms. She has her own business that she has started, so I'm going to check it out. But if you're interested in her content, please subscribe to her channel. Now let's go look at her website and see what's going on. This is her website, and her motto is saving our earth one worm at a time. She raises red wigglers, European night crawlers, and African night crawlers. Pretty soon she's going to have the amazing Louisiana swamp worms. She has discount codes. She has over 20 years experience. And there's a couple of videos to check out, and that's her contact information. Let's shop for worms. Her prices for her worms. She's out of stock of some things now, but with the seasons, worms come and go. Information on how to take care of your worms. We go back. Seeds and starting mix. So she's got her motto. Her worm castings. Tells you that they're 100% pure and organic. A lot of information on her worm castings. Garden supplies of all types. We don't have any products to show right now, but things always come and get better when you get your business started, so that could change. That can be updated within the near future. Her contact information. And she's stationed in Indiana. How I became the garden lady. She has a great story, so please take time out to read her story. Yep. Check out her story, it's really good. Her product page. And we'll check out the last tab of the policies and mission. Our mission is for you to have a great shopping experience and to be treated with professionalism and excellent customer service. We would love to see worm composting become a way of life for everyone like it has been for us. Keeping as much out of the landfill is important to us. Saving the earth one worm at a time. So that's more of a mission statement. So once again, our business is getting started. I'm not affiliated, but this is another business that I want to help get some business to because I like her. She has a great channel. She's an awesome YouTube friend. If you haven't already, subscribe your subscribe your channel, The Garden Worm Lady on YouTube, and check her business out. Leave comments in the box below. And if you go to her, tell her AJ's Green Topic sent you. If you like this video, give a like. If you like what you're hearing from me, subscribe to my channel. I just want to take the time out to say thank you and have a great day. Bye.